Hello students, in previous video we have been seeing the relation between raw moments and central moments, and also we have seen the Pearsonian coefficients of skewness and kurtosis. Now in this video let us solve some examples. So first example, suppose example says find the first four central moments for the set of numbers 2, 4, 6 and 8. So let us solve it. Solution. Suppose the number is given as x. Now here we have to determine central moments. You know the relation for central moment, mu r is what? Summation xi minus x bar upon xi minus x bar raised to r upon what? N. This is the result for mu r. Now we have to find first four central moments, means mu 1, mu 2, mu 3 and mu 4. But now here this x bar is what? Mean. So first of all we need to find the arithmetic mean, and later on we need these terms also. For mu 1 this will be xi minus x bar raised to 1, means xi minus x bar we need to find. For mu 2 xi minus x bar square. So for that let us prepare a table. So how does the table will be? X is here, that is what? 2, 4, 6 and 8. Later on we need mean. First of all we will find mean, and then we will find these one, x minus x bar square. Here we will get the value of x minus x bar. We have to do its square. Also for mu 3 we need its cube, and for mu 4 we need its power 4. Its power 4. These terms. X means these x sides. Okay. So here first of all let us find out mean. What is x bar? X bar is what? Summation. Here we need these totals also. So let me keep a space. Okay. We need to find x bar. What is x bar? It is summation x upon n. What is summation x? It is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. Upon what? How many are they? 4 in number. So 4. So it will be what? This is 20 upon 4. So our mean will be what? Therefore x bar is how much? 5. So x bar is 5. So here x minus x bar means 2 minus 5 will be minus 3. 4 minus 5 will be minus 1, 6 minus 5 will be 1 and 8 minus 5 will be what? 3. These one. Similarly, its square. Now this is 9, 1, 1 and again 9. Now its cube. It will be 27, 1, 1 and sorry minus. This is also minus 1, 1 and what? 27. Then next its power 4. So it will be what? 81. Then 1, 1 and again 81. These one. Now we need these summations also of these one. So here let me write total. So here the total is what? 20 for this first one. Next total, this total will become 0. This will be what? 20 again. This is again 0 and this is 164. Now from these totals we can easily determine the central moments. So let us do that. So what is mu 1? Is the first central moment. Is what? Summation x minus x bar upon n. What is summation x minus x bar? Is 0. So it will be 0 by 4. So it is what? 0. Then mu 2. Mu 2 is what? Summation x minus x bar square upon n. So it will be 20 upon what? 4. So it is 5. Next, mu3 will be what? Summation x minus x bar cube upon n. So it will be 0 upon 4. So this is again 0. Then mu4 is summation x minus x bar raised to 4 upon n. So that will be what? 164 upon 4. So it is how much? 41. So as such we can determine the central moments. For this is which type of data? This is the individual series distribution. That type of data is this. Fine. Now let us take the next example. Second example will be, suppose example, find the first four central moments for the following frequency distribution. And comment on its skewness and kurtosis. The data is the class interval and frequency. Class interval are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. And the corresponding frequencies are 1, 3, 4 and 2. Okay. Now let us try to find first 4 central moments. Now here the class intervals are given and frequencies are given. So our formula will slightly change. You know the formula for central moments, if the frequencies are given, it is summation f into x minus x bar raised to r upon what? Summation f. So or summation fi, here xi, here summation fi. This is our result. So here first of all xi we need to find. What is xi? Xi is the class mark for these classes. These are continuous classes. X bar is again a mean. So mean is what here? What is result for x bar? Is summation fi xi upon summation fi. So first of all we will go for xi, then find mean, and then we will go for the central moments. Okay. So let us prepare a table solution. First of all, what is given? Class interval, classes, then xi's are nothing but the class marks. Okay. Then fi's frequencies are given. So we will find fi xi, then we will find xi minus x bar. Okay. Then f into xi minus fi into xi minus x bar, then again fi into xi minus x bar square, again fi into x minus x bar cube, and fi into x minus x bar raised to 4. These things we need to find. So classes 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 and 30 to 40. X's are what? Here 5, then 15, 25 and 35. Okay. FI's are what? 1, 3, 4 and 2. So total, here we need this is capital N. So it will be what? 10. Now let us find FIXI. It will be 5, 45, 100 and what? 70. So this total will be 220. We need these two things for mean. So let me find mean first. Later on I will go for next part. Mean. What is mean? Here mean. Mean is what? X bar. That is summation Fi Xi upon what? Summation Fi. So it is 220 upon 10. So it is 22. Here we need it. That's why I found it first. So now Xi minus X bar means this is Xi. 5 minus 22. So it will be minus 17. 15 minus 22. It will be minus 7. Then 25 minus 22. It will be 3. And 35 minus 22. It will be 30. Okay. Fine. Now here onwards we need the terms for finding central moment. So no need to do the total of this one. Okay. So Fi into this one, product of these one. So it will be minus 17. This is minus 21. This is 12 and this is 26. Here we need the total. Fine. Now the next one will be the square of this term into Fi. So it is 289. This is 49 into 3. So that will be 147. Okay. This is 9 into 4. So 36. And this is 169 into 2 will be 338. As such. Here also we need the total. Next one, the cube of this one into Fi. You can do that thing on calculator also. Here I got this is 4913. Next one minus 1029. So or here this number into this you can do. That is also the same answer. Already we have been taken this product with Fi here. Fine. Now next one will be what? 108. And the next one 4394. There so sum is required. Now here again power 4. So this into each Xi minus X bar. So here 83,521. Next one 7,203. Then 324 and 57,122. Okay. Now here do this sum. This sum will be 0. You can check it. This sum is 810. I had done. This is 1,440. This is 1,48,170. Okay. Now let us find out each of the central moment. So mu1. What is mu1? Mu1 is what? Summation Fi Xi. Summation Fi Xi minus X bar upon what? Summation Fi. So this is 0 upon summation Fi is 10. So it is 0. What is mu2? Mu2 is summation Fi into Xi minus X bar square upon summation Fi. So it will be 810 upon 10. So it will be 81. Then mu3. It is summation Fi into Xi minus X bar cube upon summation Fi. That is what? Minus 1440 upon 10. So it will be minus 144. Okay. Next one mu4. Mu4 is what? Summation Fi into Xi minus X bar raised to 4 upon summation Fi. This is each time, this is Xi. Here you can note, or here itself you say X, then no need to mention as I here. Similarly for Fi also, if you mention F, then no need to mention I there. So here raised to 4, so this one 148,170, 170 upon 10. So this is 14,870. This is mu4. Now this is about the first part. We have to find first 4 central movements here. Now we have to comment on skewness and kurtosis also. So for skewness and kurtosis, we need to find the Pearsonian coefficients for skewness and kurtosis here. So let me find beta 1. What is beta 1? Beta 1 is mu3 square upon mu2 cube. So mu3 square, what is mu3? Is this minus 144 square upon mu2 cube will be 81 cube. And obviously what does this? This is mu2 cube. This is positive, this is also positive. So here this will be 20,736 and this cube will be 5,31,441. This is 0.0390. Then from beta 1 we get gamma 1. What is gamma 1? It is root of beta 1. Now here gamma 1 has the sign according to the sign of mu3. Already I had given that one, we had written that part. So here mu3 has negative sign, so gamma 1 also have a negative sign. Now square root have 2 signs, positive as well as negative. So that one will be taken from the sign of mu3. So here we will get it. It will be what? It is minus root of 0.0390, and that is what? It is minus 0.1975. Since mu3 is what? Negative. You can state the reason as such. So now gamma 1 is negative. It is less than 0. So distribution is negatively skewed. So here therefore gamma 1 is less than 0 implies distribution is negatively skewed. Okay. Now the next part, let us find out beta 2. What is beta 2? It is mu4 upon mu2 square. So mu4 is how much? This one 14,817 upon mu2 square. Mu2 square means 81 square. 81 square is 6,561. So it is 2.258 and this is less than 3. Now from this, what is gamma 2? Gamma 2 is beta 2 minus 3. So it will be minus 0.742. It is again negative. This is negative. Gamma 2 is negative. So this says the distribution is platykurtic. Gamma 1 gives us the skewness and gamma 2 gives us the kurtosis. So here our distribution is what? Platykurtic. Here we should say gamma 2 less than 0 implies distribution is platykurtic. As such, this problem will be solved. Now let us take the next one. The next one is the first 4 raw moments. First 4 raw moments of a distribution of a distribution are 2, 20, 40 and 200 respectively, find first 4 central moments. Now, already such a kind of question we had solved. Now these are raw moments given to us, means mu1 dash is 2, mu2 dash is 20, mu3 dash is 40 and mu4 dash is what? 200. These are given to us. And what is asked? Mu1, mu2, mu3 and mu4 is asked to us. So, here we know the relation that we know mu1 is always 0. This is always. For all kind of data, this is always 0. What about mu2? Mu2 has a relation in terms of raw moments. That is what? Mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So, that is 20 minus 2 square. So, it will be 60. Next, mu3 is what? It is mu3 dash minus 3 mu1 dash mu2 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. So, mu3 dash minus 3 mu1 dash mu2 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. Already in previous video I taught you have to remember these one. These are important. So, here mu3 dash is 40 minus 3 into 2 into 20 plus 2 into what? 2 cube. And this simplification will be what? Minus 64. Next, mu4 is what? Mu4 dash minus 4 mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 mu2 dash mu1 dash square minus 3 mu1 dash raised to 4. So, this is 200 minus 4 into 40 into 2 plus 6 into 20 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 raised to 4. And this simplification will be 472. These are the first 4 central moments using given raw moments. Now, the next example. The first four raw moments are 1, 4, 10 and 46. Compute skewness and kurtosis of the distribution using a measure based on moments. Comment upon the skewness and kurtosis of data set. Solution. Again, same thing, the raw moments are given to us. What is asked? We have to find the skewness and kurtosis of the distribution using these moments. So for that we need to find central moments again, and later on we can say about skewness and kurtosis. So given mu1 dash is what? 1, mu2 dash is 4, mu3 dash is 10, and mu4 dash is what? 46. So what we have to find? We have to find beta 1, beta 2, gamma 1, gamma 2, and we have to comment on skewness and kurtosis. So you know mu1 is always 0. We will find mu2. What is mu2? It is mu2 dash minus mu1 dash square. So it is 4 minus 1. So that is 3. Mu3 is mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash mu1 dash plus 2 mu1 dash cube. So this is mu3 dash is 10 minus 3 into 4 into 1 plus 2 into 1 cube. So this is 10 minus 12 plus 2. So that is 0. Now mu4 is mu4 dash minus 4 into mu3 dash mu1 dash plus 6 into mu2 dash mu1 dash square plus minus 3 into mu1 dash raised to 4. This is mu4 dash is 46 minus 4 into 10 into 1 plus 6 into 4 into 1 square minus 3 into 1 raised to 4. So this is 46 minus 40 plus 24 minus 3. This is 6 plus this is 21. So 27. Okay. Mu4 is 27. Now beta 1. Let us find out beta 1. So beta 1 is what? Beta 1 is mu3 square upon mu2 cube. That is what? 0, since mu3 is 0. Therefore this gives gamma 1 is also what? 0. Okay. Now what about beta 2? Beta 2 is what? It is beta 2 is mu4 upon mu2 square. So mu4 is 27 upon mu2 square will be what? 9. So it is 3. So that gives gamma 2 is beta 2 minus 3. That is what? 0. So what does this say? Beta 1 0. That's why gamma 1 0 and gamma 2 is also 0. Gamma 1 0 means the distribution is symmetric and gamma 2 0 means the distribution is mesoquartic. So togetherly let me write. Distribution is symmetric and mesoquartic. This is about this answer. Now in next video we will see some more examples on the same topic. Thank you.